Welcome back to Enlighten Me. So this is the third video in my watching Netflix or Disney Plus with an older television. So previous videos focused on the Apple to AV Lightning adapter, and I also have, and if you're trying to download content, use the VOHD HDMI splitter. Now I recognize that this is not working for everybody for various reasons, some of which I tried to address, and maybe those fixes still aren't working. So for those folks, I recommend this, the Roku Ultra, and it will connect you to your accounts. In fact, it's got them right here: Netflix, Disney Plus, Hulu, even Sling. But first, let me tell you a little bit about my television. It is a 2008-2009 Sony Bravia, so it's older. It's definitely what one would call a pre-smart TV. It, however, it's got video up to 1080p or 720 sometimes, but 1080 is what I usually get. And the only thing that you need if you've got a older television is this HDMI cable, which I previously linked to. And so you can attach this to this so you can watch these, and that should work for you. If you get to a point where you set it up with the Apple AV Lightning adapter and this just doesn't work for your iDevice, I'm pretty sure you can just send it back. If you order it from Amazon, send it back, and then you get the Roku. And I haven't had any problems. I wasn't having problems before. I just did this because my ISP stopped showing cable. We're with CenturyLink, and they ended their Prism TV, so I had to do something. And so I just went ahead and like I said, my television is older, but I'm perfectly happy with it, and I don't feel the need to really upgrade my TV just yet. So that's why I thought, this might be a good setup for folks. So this is what's included with the box. This is kind of how the setup goes. I use an Ethernet connection, but you can use your wireless. You just have to set that up. Connect to the television. Power. Select what input you've got. Obviously batteries for your remote. Thanks, Roku. And then you follow the on-screen setup. And hopefully it was as simple as that. So if you're having problems with this, or your ISP stops carrying cable, I highly recommend buying this. I will link it in the description below. And again, I'm not an IP or an IT person. I'm just a simple man trying to make his way through the galaxy. And I'm just trying to help you all out because I was in a similar spot, and hopefully many of you found these videos helpful. So if you found this video helpful, please like, click, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye.